Well, here we are with Rocky in his man cave. No, not man cave. We're going to say RC airplane hangar. So he's actually been flying for a long time. He's got a ton of airplanes. This new series that I'm starting is actually going through different flyers, going into their hangar and kind of showing you everything that they do, or how their airplanes are stacked, or how they have them hanging. So this is just kind of an intro to talking with Rocky a little bit and kind of showing his hangar. Rocky, how long have you been flying?
I started back in at Westover Air Force Base in the Air Force in about 1962. Super regenerative, super heterodyne, big mast in the middle of the ground, one for right, two for left, and then galloping ghost. And here I am today, 84 years later.
So when did you get into flying RC airplanes? Is that 62 was when you actually started?
That started with the beginning of RC.
Okay. And where did you start flying? Did you fly here?
No, at the Air Force Base. We were sitting on alert, nothing better to do. So they gave us a whole half a hangar, and we set up a shop, and we could, and matter of fact, we had access to, we were flying from Ace Hobby.
Huh.
Way back then, buying our electronic gear.
Was it all outdoor flying that you were doing?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, well, like I said, when I first started, it was at Westover Air Force Base with nothing to do on alert. So we started building airplanes, and at the time, RC was in its infancy. So what better thing to do in an Air Force Base is to fly RC airplanes. And I've been doing it ever since, from the super regenerative, super heterodyne, to galloping ghost. I mean, look where we are today with the sophistication of equipment. Unbelievable.
So how many planes do you figure you have now? You got quite a bit in here.
I don't know, I've got about 20, 25 airplanes in here. And over the years, I was based in Westover, belonged to an RC club there. I belonged to an RC club in New Hampshire. Every place I've been to some sort of club. And of course now with the fold here, the Falcons of Lake Dallas is our local club, which is excellent.
Fantastic. All right. Hey, so this is kind of a video just to show all about Rocky's hangar. So, hey, stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.
Super.